Hello, my name is Rachel. What the fuck is that? Oh, sorry, that was just my window string. Anyways, today I thought that I would do a get ready with me, my everyday sort of makeup, and tell you a little bit about me, what I'm all about. Thought it'd be really fun. My hair is crazy, so I might have to just get it out of the way before we get started, you know? Because we don't need none of that messing up our routine. How's that look? Better? Worse? I don't know. I don't give a shit. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. My makeup's actually over there. Ooh. I'm also sorry, this angle is like horrible. Like, I don't know what else to do. But we are gonna get started. I usually prime my face. So you gotta have a good base for the rest of your makeup. I forgot to exfoliate my lips. Does anyone else do this? Just get all that dead skin off, get the lips nice and juicy and ready for makeup. Oh wait, hang on. I left my blush in the bathroom and I want to be prepared, so I'll be right back. All good? Okay, but I mean, how bad of a makeup guru could I be? Let's just get these. All right, let's do it. I like to prime my face. Sit down here. Hello. There we go. Found it. It's right next to my leg. So I am going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. You guys, this stuff is so good. It is a primer and moisturizer in one. I have really dry skin, so this is amazing. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Yeah, it says apply 1 to 2 pumps to fingertips and smooth over face before makeup can be used with or in place of a primer, which is awesome. So if you don't have a moisturizer, but you have this, you can use it in place of your moisturizer as well. So I'm gonna take, oop, that squirted out fast, 4 pumps, because I can. I'm sorry about this angle, I can't get over it, it looks so bad. Oh, so not professional, but I honestly don't care. So I'm just gonna put this primer all over my face. It is so moisturizing, I love this stuff, it's so good. Smooth that over the skin. Alrighty. Our face is primed, it is now time for foundation. Okay, I look so unprofessional right now. For foundation, the combination of products that I've been loving is actually these two mixed together. The It Cosmetics CC Cream mixed with the Physicians Formula Organic Wear BB Cream. These two together, I don't know, I love it. I think it is a beautiful combination. If you've used the It Cosmetics CC Cream before, you know it's really, really full coverage, whereas the BB cream is a little more sheer. And another thing about the It Cosmetics CC Cream is that I feel like it's very, very wet on the skin. You know, it's more dewy. So mixed with the BB cream, which is a little bit more matte, it makes a really, really, really pretty, flawless, sort of soft matte finish on the skin. I love it. So we're gonna apply it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the CC Cream, and you don't need a lot of this because it's very full coverage. Ooh. That was a lot. Okay, don't do what I just did. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the BB cream on top. That was a lot too. Why can't I control how much I'm squeezing out? Now that I have a mountain of foundation on my hand. Oh my gosh, you know what I can do? Why didn't I think of this earlier? Hang on. Oh shit. Ow! Fuck! Hey guys, what's up? Okay, hang on. How embarrassing that I just have primer that is not blended in. That's why you can't sit 10 feet away from your camera, Rachel. I'm just going to apply this mixture to my skin. I love the way this looks. It is super, super natural while still covering up everything that I want covered. You know what? I need a mirror too. Hang on. So hello, my name is Rachel. I am 21 years old. I have 3 sisters. Do people even do this? Is this like a thing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Am I doing this right? Somebody tell me. And I'm gonna be honest, these colors do not really match my skin all that well. So I wore a turtleneck because I feel like if you were going to completely alter your skin tone, wear a turtleneck, keep it covered, no one will know. How do I get rid of this? I don't have any makeup wipes. I'm just gonna wipe it on this old pillowcase. Oh, and that got all over my sleeve. Concealer. I've been loving and using this religiously. It is so good. This is the Chanel, oh shoot, I'm gonna totally mess up this name. Chanel Palette Essentielle. So if you're French, don't hate me. I'm sorry, did not mean to butcher that name. It is so good. It's really cool palette. It comes with a concealer, a blush, and a cream highlight. They're all cream products. So if you don't like cream products, you might not like this, but the coverage is amazing. The color of the concealer is so good. It's not too pink and it's not too yellow. I'm just gonna conceal everything that I want concealed. All right, concealer is done. Moving on to setting my face. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like baking. For some reason, I can't get it to work for my face. Whoop, that was a lot. I can't get it to work for me. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or, okay, I'm getting powder everywhere. Calm down, girl, calm down. But yeah, I don't know. I don't like baking. I never have. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna set my face. I used the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Translucent. It's my favorite. I've been using it for years. It's so good. And I think I just broke it. I'm gonna move back a little bit. Contour. I've been obsessed with this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. You get, if I can open it, 6 powders in here, so many different colors. It's amazing. The quality of these powders is unbelievable. I'm gonna take the shade Carrot, use it as my contour shade. I'm gonna dip my brush in. I also don't have fancy brushes, so no judging me. And I'm going to contour my face. I'm just kind of chisel out my face. I like to go under my jaw. Next, I really like to warm up the face with bronzer. So I'm gonna be taking these 2 colors together, Princess Cut and then Angle. And I'm just going to dip my brush into both of those. Same brush, tap it off, and then I'm going to warm up my face. I also like to bronze my nose. That is usually the first place that gets hit by the sun for me anyways. And then I just take the excess and put it across my eyelids. My hair. What is this? We're gonna move on to the eyebrows. I've been loving the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I use the shade 3. This brow pencil is amazing. I've been trying to find a brow product that I've liked for years and I haven't been able to. They've either been too dark, they've, you know, smudged off during the day, and this has not done that. This is amazing. So what I like to do, I just kind of brush down my brow hairs because I have pretty long brow hairs, and I draw in the top part of my brow, and then I brush up the bottom, do sort of the same thing on the bottom to fill it in super lightly. And then for the front of my brow, I just sort of take the excess product and brush it through the hairs right at the front of my brow because I don't like it to be too harsh. I just kind of want it to be defined but still pretty natural. So I'm gonna do my other brow and I'll be right back. So brows are done and now I need to set them. Lately I've been really loving the Glossier Boy Brow Brow Setter in the shade Brown. It's amazing. I like it. I love the color. I feel like it matches really good with the color of my brow hairs. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. Brows are set and we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I just started using it, but it's incredible. The blendability, the pigmentation of these shadows are so good. You can create so many different eye looks with just this one palette. Here we go. I'm gonna be dipping into these 3 colors, Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, mixed with a little bit of Golden Ochre for my eyes. More about me, I'm also an actress. If you're wondering what you've seen me in, probably nothing. No, I've done a lot of independent films. I did a lot of theater growing up. Funny story, that's actually how my boyfriend and I met. He is an actor as well. He was doing a project and was helping cast for the part to play his girlfriend, and I submitted for it. And they ended up cutting the part, but then we continued to talk. And now here we are. I'm so in love. No, he's amazing. I love him. His name is Leo. He's perfect. And then I just like to take that underneath to kind of make it a little more smoky. And I'm gonna be totally honest, when I'm doing an everyday look, I don't worry about, it's very powdery. I don't worry about having a transition shade. I just kind of take one color all over my lid, up into my crease, blend it underneath. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I don't know, I feel like when you find something that suits your eyeballs, it's really hard to switch it up. Our eyeshadow is done. I'm actually gonna keep this palette out because we are gonna move on to highlighter. Now for highlighter, I've been loving this shadow in the Modern Renaissance palette. It's the Primavera shadow. It's this beautiful, I don't know if you can see, a beautiful like golden champagne color. So I've been taking that and using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone. And I've also been using it as a face highlight. I don't know if anyone does that, but I do. I'm gonna use it for the tops of my cheekbones. And I'm also gonna use it to highlight my Cupid's bow. All right, we are highlighted. Mascara. The CoverGirl Original Lash Blast Mascara is my favorite. It is the mascara that I always go back to. It's so good. It holds curl on my lashes. It separates my lashes. It's amazing. I love it. I don't know what else to say about it. Ow! So I'm just gonna apply that to my lashes and I'll be right back. Getting mascara all over my face while doing this. All right, mascara is done. Oh shoot, I forgot blush. I don't know if this is really weird, but I've actually been using an eyeshadow as a blush recently. Is that weird? The Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Quad in Plum, this pinky shade right here, I've actually been using it as a blush and I really like it. I think it's a really pretty blush color. It's like a dusty rosy pink. Don't judge me. I like to put a little on my nose. All right, I'm gonna take my hair down because, all right, last step is lips. Since I don't have any makeup wipes, I'm gonna just wipe off the foundation with my sweater. I am like the most unprofessional makeup person ever. Let's just wipe that shit off. So for lips, what I like to do, super simple, on an everyday basis, I'm just gonna take some lip balm on my finger. I'm gonna apply it to my lips. Just so they're nice and moisturized and do not flake off when I put product on top of them. All right, my lips are moisturized. Next, I have been loving this e.l.f. I think it's just like their lipstick range. It's like one of the e.l.f. long skinny lipsticks in the shade Cranberry. It is beautiful. It is so pretty. I've been obsessed with it. So I'm just gonna take that and apply it to my lips. Now it's really pigmented, so what I like to do is just kind of smear it everywhere and then take my finger and just kind of spread the product around. You can also do this with a lip brush. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Just spread that around. And that is it. This is my everyday, my go-to, easy, quick, simple makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe. I would love this channel to be focused on makeup, skincare, beauty, and then I also wanted to kind of like throw together some series about unsolved murders, unsolved mysteries, because that is something that is so interesting to me. But yeah, my name is Rachel. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time.